because this bone nice and chewable.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw him in.
I go in straight in there.
Bang.
I go in
It's a
straight
nice,
in there.
crispy bone. Eh?
Yeah. That bone, when that bone cook up there and that.
It go whole flavor as well. Eh?
And it will hold some flavor as well, Chef. It will hold some flavor as well. So yeah, all I'm doing here is getting.
Put all.
See why Chef is my virgin? See why Chef is my virgin?
100 years.
Is that
100 years. Cheers.
We're not jinxing.
Cheers.
We're not jinxing. We're not jinxing.
Cheers.
We're not jinxing.
Put all.
Put all. And break him up in there. And get them all nice and incorporated with your vegetables. Oh my goodness. You
That
start to
smells
smell.
it smells good.
With the flavor already, man.
Yeah.
That's if you're a lover of seafood.
Yeah.
Do try grease mackerel in the can, guys. Price.
Nice.
Go straight in my mixture here.
Like a pilau.
So it's basically like.
I'm sorry. I'm a curfew.
Only just James.
I'm sorry.
Only just James.
Sorry, not sorry.
I come up with my
Lovely.
Right.
coconut vegetable
Mackerel
rice, and he just put
Yeah.
a mackerel pillar. How?
He bypass all the creative.
All my creative.
And he go to the next level.
Bring it home.
Bring it home.
Bring it home. Using the great coconut milk, a cup, and it's going in there.
That's the sound we like to hear, Chef.
That's the sound of the man working on the tree. So that there is some goodness. This will take 12 to 15 minutes to 17 minutes just to absorb the liquid. When it's starting to absorb, you cover down, let the rice bloom and fluff the rice nicely. We don't have time because I had one kind of kusumi in here for you guys already.
Good enough.
I had one here, kusumi in for you guys. See what I'm talking about there?
Finish there, boy.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
See that?
Pilau looking nice.
So,
Sorry.
allow me to plate up
man.
my mackerel pilau.
No, do it properly. We're doing a mackerel.
So it's a coconut flavored mackerel vegetable rice.
There we go.
Yeah.
Nice.
And this, as I said, this year. No, I mean we localized it in Sharaz.
Serious.
It's like a pilau, you know. A pilau is a one pot. This is actually a kind of one pot rice.
A good one.
Mackerel flavor.
Loaded.
Yeah.
Loaded.